Hello, guys, and welcome to the channel Tech It's Simple. Today, we're going to talk about how to change fonts in Google Keep. Firstly, open your Google Keep app on your device. Now, let's create a new note. Let's add a title and let's just write something. Next to the palette icon above the keyboard, there is an underlined A. Press on it, and you will see different text formatting options such as H1, Heading 1, Heading 2, Bold, Italics, and Underline. For example, we will see the underlined text before typing. Click on the U and start typing. Now, there are also options like Heading 1, Heading 2. Moreover, if you want to reset the formatting, just select the text and click on the crossed T icon. That way, your text will be formatted to its initial state. That is how you change the font designs in Google Keep. If you like this video, then do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.